YouTubers, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be fitting these plastic panel clips under the bonnet. So, as some of you will remember, it's a little windy today, but in a previous episode I installed a new bonnet latch which had a key. I was going to upgrade it anyway, or upgrade even. I'm going to need two hands, aren't I? One sec. Right, as you may remember, I bought a replacement one of these, which I was going to fit anyway, because I preferred using a key as opposed to using the tiny little key connector that's in there. The day I came to fit it, this had broke, so 3 or 4 hours it took me to remove this whilst the bonnet was still down. And in doing so, obviously you have to break a lot of these clips. Now, rather than go for the uprated alloy ones, I don't know why that doesn't clip on anything, but rather than go for the uprated aluminium ones, I decided to buy some of these. So I'm hopeful these are the right type. They were only literally pence online. That's the ones I've got. Very hard to get measurements from broken ones, but yeah, let's see if they fit. Right, the packet is opened. I didn't film it. I've got my clips ready. I've got my screwdriver ready. So let's take one over to the car, see if they fit in the hole. Again, I'm contending with shadows today, but hopefully, as you can see, they're a little bit style different, but I'm hoping they do the job. Look at that, eh? Clips don't solve that, but yeah, I may actually change these ones out as well and have them all, not going to go to that one, have them all the same. Right, let's crack on and install the other clips. I know people like to count these, so in total I'm replacing 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. But I may change the old ones so they all look the same. A couple there as well. Yeah, lovely bits of plastic, and 2 there. Anyway, let's film me installing these for you, because I know you love it. I've decided to go with all the same size on this top panel. These I've situated slightly below, like so, because this is actually, this part is fixed to the top of that. Again, so just the screws to do up. if I create some shadow, you may be able to see it. All the clips have been replaced. I've given the plastic a quick wipe over, done the corner ones. Yeah, so for a little job it just tidies up the engine bay a little bit better, and this is obviously all fairly secure now. Still not changed my badge, but yeah, ultra pleased. It's just about doing the little jobs, and at the end of the day they will all come together and it will all start to look good. Right, as per usual, thanks for watching. If you've not subscribed already, please do so, because it really helps. Apparently it does something with the algorithms, and the more people that subscribe, view, possible recommendation, and it will help grow the channel. Thanks for watching, as I said, and I'll catch you in the next, maybe weekly show. We'll see how it goes. Cheers.